Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, we are going to discuss about our stock option scanner, positional stock option scanner. So last video we discussed about that intraday part, Cambrilla R4 breakout, how it works and how we are planning with that particular R4 level breakout. And the today market down, so we seen there is a many triggers in a put side, and some of the stocks will which gives you some call side also. So this is purely based on the Cambrilla R4 breakout. So where we are getting that R4 levels one day per year, and we calculate the pivot level and we add it into our scanner, and we are tracking our opportunity, which stock is going to break, which particular strike is breaking. So that we are calculating with this particular tool. The same scanner which built for positional option strategy. So where we are doing a positional based hedging or a direct trade, non-direct, directional. But non-directional is based on the concept and directional is based on the price movement. And this one more scanner which you are going to, this is the same scanner which consists of three parts like weekly, monthly and intraday. So this intraday is working based on the R4 level. So then this weekly, it is going to work based on the logic. So this is what the part which we are going to discuss here in this video. And before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And and this is purely a logical based, and we are teaching some strategies on our course. Based on that, how we are able to find a weekly opportunity. So this weekly opportunity which we built, because in a month, so from the first to end of the month, some part of the time market is lower and then recovered and then moves down, so it will not going in the same direction for the entire month. So zigzag movement. So if you are divided into weekly, so we may be getting some 3 to 4 weeks in a month. So last week it's an expiry week. Normally we are not planning for it. So maybe the weekly opportunity is developed for Monday to Friday. So like that weekly base. So how we are selecting the strike prices based on the Friday's close or monthly weekend close. So based on the Friday's close, we will be selecting the strike price, and but we are applying the logics. The strike price selection is based on the Friday's close, and this data and this strike price, it is for entirely that particular week. So here this week is started, and we have some put side as well as call side. So let me track some of the options in call, like a Divi's Lab 6850. Let me check. So this is what a strike. So we are not using a Cambrilla pivot point. It's a simply a price based and logical calculations, IV, IVP and IVR based calculations. So 6850, 240 is our breakout point. So we consider once that particular trade should be triggered only in after 9:30. So what should be the breakout point is somewhere around 240. So exactly 240.5 that got triggered on today only. 240 somewhere around this particular time. So we can apply for our strategy number 5, because it is a weekly trade. This is a trigger point. It is giving you the trend confirmation at this point, but we know where to keep a stop and where to keep a target, because it is a weekly naked option trading. Maybe we can use it in hedging also, but most of the time if you are following a shorter period, the hedging will not work. So this is a weekly time frame, so maximum 5 days, because next week there is a new strike prices based on the concept we are going to use it. So in a week time frame, so maybe equity or like a naked options which we can apply for the strategy from 280, now it is went to 360, and same like that put side like a grassing. So it is now not reached our bigger movement, but it is recently triggered. So how it moves higher, so we may be seeing some of the opportunity here, and here in the call side we can see some of the opportunity. So before the breakout we can track those and we can apply the hedging logic. So grassing 3220, right? It's a put side. If it is a gap up and we are not considering that, what is that, 3220 grassing, I think there is no data on this. So simply illiquid. BDL 1320. This one. Let's look at this whether it's active or not. BDL 1320 86. So it opened by 92. So it doesn't give you an opportunity. And even 82 it never reached. And this we consider it's an invalid opportunity and it is triggered higher than the opportunity like ITC. Where in a put side and call side TCS 2060. Let me check. So here we are not going to focus all the F&O list, but the scanner will scan all the F&O stock. But we try to find one or two opportunity which based on the logic TCS 98.7. So 98.7 that could be not triggered today, but it was happened by the yesterday. So if you are tracking that yesterday that was triggered and it is almost 20% higher from our breakout. But today diffuse lab it is triggered today and it is moves more than that. Maybe if you are tracking that weekly opportunity, TCS may be in the top. But as per the changeover, now diffuse came into the top, but TCS still it is moved higher and maximum it went up to 160 and closed now it is around 120, almost 40 points. So maybe it is moving higher and now it is moving lower after maybe achieving our target. So whereas our 86 from 86 and 160 it is almost double. Maybe it is moves more than our target point. So this logic we used in this particular weekly, and every week the strikes can be changed based on the logic and concept. Okay, and monthly is about one more concept, monthly positional logic, but that one we will be seeing on next video. But that is monthly once we are selecting the strikes and other things. And here this is what a concepts, and if you are following this particular weekly, so most probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we can try for a newer opportunity, and Friday and till Thursday and Friday we can hold it because we can't carry this for a next week because this tool automatically change whatever the new weekly opportunities. That is what the main logic which you have built it. So why we built this particular basic logic? So if you are looking at so the trend, so if you are see in the first week, so July, so that market started from upwards. So maybe we can able to find some call side opportunities. And the second week there is a down. So we may be checking, tracking or finding for a put side. And now the third week started. Now it is very flat. But initially we have a call side because 13 and 14. But it is looks flat. Maybe the trend we can expect upside or even downside also. We can able to find one or two opportunities and not to take all the list of stocks, but one or two opportunity where we can easily find out with this logic. It is not about to use it charts and indicator. It is purely a concept based, and that is what a logic we are applied in the weekly and entirely intraday scanner which based on the indicator, but that weekly scanner based on the concept which you are learn on our positional strategies. If you have any questions or a doubt, just ping me. And this all three combinedly we are providing the scanner along with this course. And if anyone who are really interested to learn the strategies, and you can utilize your career, but we are not providing any tips. So we will be teaching you, and you can use and you can select as per your convenience. So that is what the logic which we are applied. And this is a scanner we built recently. Previously we used some Google Sheet scanner, and the same version we are turned into web app based, so that you can utilize from our side. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.